Blackview BV9000, and let me show you how to enable battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, just slide twice to open it fully, and then find and tap on battery icon, just click once, and here you are in the battery menu. If you would like to enable battery saver, you can simply click on this switcher, and from now on, the battery saving mode is active. If you would like to switch it off, you can do it the same way. And if you would like to go to more settings, just pick more settings. And now you can select some other options here. So for example, you can select battery percentage option, you can switch it off and on, and here are the percentage of your battery. Here's the detailed information about your battery life. And also here you've got the battery saver, which can be activated and deactivated here manually by yourself. And then you can also select the scheduled battery saving mode, so just tap on turn on automatically. And now it's time to select the rule, so it can be at 5% battery or at 15% battery. So let me pick the second option. So from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, this mode, this low power solution, will be automatically activated. And you can obviously switch it off the same way. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.